Love it because the line is so precise. Thanks so much everyone for tuning in with me. I hope you all have a fabulous Monday. So we continue doing it all 5 tips or 10 nails, if you 10 tips or 5 tip, either if you're doing all 10 at the same time or you do 5 at a time. Okay. Great, so I'm gonna go ahead and clear this for 60 seconds. Cool, looks nice. I did the tip, the French, a little bit thicker just in case that my friend Sammy's wanna trim her nail shorter. She's gonna have an option to trim it shorter as well. So we are gonna using, next we're gonna using crystal trifecta, and then we're gonna apply is crystals and some cute 3D handcrafted flowers. Let's move this one on this side. It's here the last set that I did for Robin. It's super cute, adorable. I like it so much. And then we're doing this one for Sammy. Some 3D handcrafted flowers. And then I got this all from the glow in the dark kits and then ultimate crystal kits as well. This is that one. So let's do one of the designs on this one. So I am go ahead and using condensed glue gels, no wipe top coat, and then precision glue gel to do all my crystal designs. Twin tip brush. Applies this good layer of the condensed glue gels. This is going to hold down all of yours crystals, your charm, your chains, and anything else. You don't want to be applying it too thick. It's going to flood your crystal. Also, if you're too thin, it's going to not adhere your crystal properly. So I'm going to go ahead and apply one layer and follow with the no wipe top coat, but we are going to float it right on the top. Okay. Should I do the color? Look. Pink or yellow? Yellow?
Bright. Nice and bright.
Why do I like yellow though? Super, super adorable. And I'm gonna add some of the glow in the darks from the glow in the dark crystal kits #1. I'm gonna show you shortly. It's so cute and it vibrant. And the best thing to do for the crystal and to place them really close together. So don't worry about and either is your crystal is bigger, smaller, or is kind of randomly the way you want it. Make sure you get them really close and tight, like connect together. Then it's not only It looks really nice when you are putting them all together, but it also will last you good between 4 to 6 weeks until you are ready to remove your nails and do the new set or new designs. So I'm gonna add some beads on. You can definitely go with or without beads. Either way, it's gonna look super, super gorgeous. I'm gonna add this one in here. Add some beads around. Am I under the camera? Yeah.
You good? Keep going.
Thank you. You're gonna see us come stop by and check out the new products, get some demos on. Have any questions, bring it with you, and we can't wait to see you at ABS. We're also going to the Nail Tech event in Gallenberg, July, I believe, in July week. So we're so excited. Just so excited to get to see everyone at the show. All right, so looks really, really gorgeous. Look at that. It's super cute, adorable. 3D handcrafted flowers. You see me, I love is a 40 gel. And when you have the 3D handcrafted flowers with the busy schedule, if the client's like, oh my God, Nancy's, I want some 3D handcrafted flowers, and then you are booking back to back, this is one of the really, really good solutions for you to have to fulfill your clients with beautiful, still handcrafted. It's not like it's handcrafted, and also you can able to price the clients a price, you know, the right price, and also is still able to fulfill what the clients want and be happy with this because it's handcrafted flowers. Somebody does it for you, so then you don't have to work harder, only work smarter and save those time for your lunch or phone call to your family. All right, I'm so happy with this. And I am go ahead and swipe on the both end to make sure to remove any of the non-necessary is condensed glue gel and top coat that hanging around there. So then after we finish, the nail is gonna look really nice and precise. And I'm gonna go ahead and cure this beauty for a 60 second. Let me show the camera really quick. All right.